Green tea's 10 health benefits, why you should drink it every day. From weight loss to improved digestion, these are some of the possible benefits of green tea that research suggests. Green tea is arguably one of the most famous superfoods out there, but how much do you know about what's in your cup? The delicate processing techniques are thought to be among the reasons why green tea is so rich in nutrients and antioxidants, all of which may lead to a range of health benefits. In fact, according to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCE, green tea has been used in Chinese and Japanese medicine practices for centuries. While you've probably heard a lot of chatter about the benefits of green tea, the NCCE points out that much of the evidence isn't conclusive, and more studies are needed. The potential health benefits of green tea can also vary based on the brand you choose, as well as the way you make it. Newer to the scene and also being talked up for its potential benefits is matcha green tea. Learn more about the possible health benefits of green tea and how this popular drink can help complement a healthy diet and lifestyle. In choosing green tea, you can feel good about what's in your cup. Unlike other types of tea, green tea contains high levels of compounds called catechins. The NCCE notes there isn't sufficient evidence to prove that drinking green tea will lead to weight loss in people who are overweight or obese. But research involving green tea extract shows it may help. Namely, the caffeine in green tea may help suppress appetite and speed calorie burning through a process called thermogenesis, suggests one such study. Just know that most of the research out there on green tea is on this more highly concentrated extract. It doesn't involve the tea bag steeping in your cup, notes an article published in May 2014 in the Canadian Pharmacist's Journal. If you are thinking of adding green tea to your diet to help with weight loss, don't expect this to work if you are eating a high-calorie diet. Adding green tea to your diet may help, but don't expect it to be a silver bullet. If you're sensitive to the volume of caffeine in coffee, try green tea instead. According to the Mayo Clinic, 8 ounces of caffeinated brewed coffee contains between 95 and 165 milligrams of caffeine, whereas 8 ounces of brewed green tea contains between 25 and 29 milligrams of caffeine. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, rats given green tea extract in drinking water that were then induced with the autoimmune disease rheumatoid arthritis, RA, developed less severe symptoms than rats with RA that drank plain water. More studies are needed in humans, but the researchers note that green tea extract may be helpful when used along with conventional RA treatment. In a preliminary study published in February 2010 in Cancer Prevention Research, mice exposed to green tea polyphenols in drinking water showed better skin cell repair after UV ray damage, though it's not yet clear if this same effect would be observed in humans. Green tea may also help treat skin conditions such as eczema and genital warts, per an article published in August 2015 in the Journal of the German Society of Dermatology. But when part of a healthy type 2 diabetes diet, green tea may help reduce insulin resistance, according to a study published in September 2014 in the Iranian Journal of Medical Sciences. In the study, participants who consumed 150 milliliters of green or sour tea 3 times per day for 4 weeks saw positive results. One of the most popular features of green tea, according to the NCCE, is mental alertness. This short-term effect is linked to green tea's caffeine content. But the low caffeine content in green tea is just enough to wake you up without causing the anxiety and jitters associated with higher caffeine products, such as coffee. Cancer happens when free radicals attack healthy cells in the body, but antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like green tea are thought to help prevent this process, according to the National Cancer Institute. A review published in February 2018 in Molecules and Cell cites research showing that green tea extract may help delay the onset and prevent the recurrence of certain types of cancer. Along with green tea's cholesterol-lowering properties, the NCCE notes that the tea may also lower high blood pressure. If you're currently taking blood pressure medications, such as beta blockers, drink green tea in moderation. Large amounts of green tea, especially in supplemental form, may interact with these types of medications, according to the NCCE. Did you know that, after water, green tea is the second most popular beverage? Who'd have guessed? Green tea can be served hot or cold, but don't pour boiling water over the leaves right after they've boiled. This will have an effect on the powerful catechins that do all the work. Allow 10 minutes for the boiling water to cool before pouring. Steep for 1 to 5 minutes, depending on personal preference. Having a cup of green tea may help reduce the symptoms of anxiety-related disorders such as generalized anxiety, obsessive-compulsive disorder, and social anxiety disorder. There have been no definitive studies on how much green tea to drink each day to get the most benefit. It all depends on the individual and their state of health. Every day, different amounts of green tea will help you in different ways. In controlled studies, those who consumed 1 to 3 cups per day had a decreased risk of stroke and heart disease than those who consumed less than 1 cup. Women who consumed more than 5 cups of coffee each day were less likely to get stomach cancer. However, we must consider this: how much you consume is determined by how much you can tolerate. Not everyone wants to consume 5 glasses in a 24-hour period. It's excellent to have green tea in your diet, but as long as you drink a cup or more every day, that's fine. Thanks for watching and subscribe.